All right, we'll move right along then to lot number 154, the second of our Cobras this evening. This time we have a big block. It's the 1966 Shelby 427 Cobra Semi-Competition. Only 53 SC Cobras were originally produced, and of those, only 37 were sold as road cars. This particular car, CSX3040, is without question one of the most original, correct, and most well-documented 427 SC Cobras in existence today. It's had 4 long-term owners from new, always preserved and maintained. It was sympathetically restored by Cobra expert Mike McCluskey, very big name in the Cobra world, down in Torrance, California. He noted that the engine, bodywork, and interior were all original and that the car showed few, if any, signs of damage or use. Hope you had a chance to view the history file. It's what many Cobra historians consider to be the finest 427 SC in existence, CSX3040, here at RM Sotheby's.
Thank you very much, David. And we're going to start the bidding for this beautiful car, ladies and gentlemen, at $1.11213, $1,400,000. $1,500,000 is bid, $1,500,000. I've got $1,500,000 now, with Gord on the phone at $1,500,000. $1,500,000 is the bid at $1,500,000. $1,500,000. Any advance at $1,500,000? $1,600,000 is against you. $1,600,000 now at $1,600,000. $1,600,000. $2 million. Thank you, Gord. $2 million with Gord on the phone at $2 million. Well done, $2 million. $2 million now. Any advance at $2 million? It's $2 million with Gord on the phone. $2 million against you in the room as well. $2 million. Any advance at $2,100,000 with Barney. $2,100,000. Barney is at $2,100,000. $2,100,000. $2,100,000. Barney's bidder against you, Gordon. $2,200,000. $2,200,000. Barney against you at $2,200,000. $2,200,000 for the Cobra at $2,200,000. $2,200,000. What's your bid, Barney? $2,300,000. Against you, Gordon, and against you in the room as well at $2,300,000. $2,300,000. $2,350,000. I'll take $2,350,000. Why not? $2,350,000, Gord. It's now your bid, and Barney against you. $2,400,000 in the room. Thank you, RJ. $2,400,000. We're in the room at $2,400,000. $2,400,000 against you both now on the phone. At $2,400,000, your bid, sir, ma'am, at $2,400,000. $2,400,000. $2,400,000. $2,400,000. Barney against you. I'll take $2,450,000. $2,400,000 is the bid against you at $2,400,000. In the room here at $2,400,000. $2,400,000. $2,400,000 is against you. And against you too, Alex, at $2,400,000. $2,400,000. I'll take $2,450,000. $2,400,000. $2,450,000. $2,450,000. $2,450,000. Would you like $2,500,000? $2,470,000. You came all the way. $2,475,000. Absolutely. $2,475,000. $2,475,000. Barney, would you like to make it $2,500,000? $2,475,000. $2,475,000. It's in the room here at the Biltmore in Arizona at $2,475,000 against you, Barney, $2,475,000. $2,475,000. It's in the room at $2,475,000 for the Shelby 427 Cobra Semi, $2,500,000. $2,500,000. I'll take the 25, sir. $2,525,000. Thank you. $2,525,000. Against you, Barney, at $2,525,000. $2,525,000. $2,525,000. $2,525,000. $2,505,000. $550,000. $2,550,000 against you, sir. $2,550,000 with Barney's bidder. $2,550,000. Thank you, sir. $2,575,000 against you, Barney, at $2,575,000. $2,575,000. $2,575,000. It's in the room at $2,575,000 against you now. Next will be $2,600,000. $2,575,000. $2,600,000. 2,600,000. $2,650,000. 50. 2,650,000. Thank you, sir. $2,650,000. $2,650,000. The bid is right here in the room. Against you, Barney, on the phone at RM Sotheby's, $2,650,000. Would you like to bid? At $2,650,000. $2,650,000. Are you still with me, Barney, at $2,650,000? At $2,650,000. $2,675,000. Are you sure, sir? $2,675,000. Would you like me to ask David to quickly just recap again why it's such a great car? At $2,675,000. No, please, no. Will you bid if he doesn't?
It's the only one we're selling tonight, sir.
$2,675,000. That was a great recap. Good recap. $2,675,000 is a bid against you, sir. At $2,675,000, it's on my left. It's Barney's bid against you. $2,675,000. Thank you very much for bidding, sir. $2,675,000. If we're all done, selling then on my left at $2,675,000 for the Shelby 427 Cobra Semi-Competition at $2,675,000. Well done. Congratulations. Thank you, sir.